Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Today we're in Waterloo doing some tile and grout restoration. We're doing about 1,300 square feet in total of grout color restoration, and I wanted to show you guys our new buffing machine, which is our new Oreck Orbiter. It's kind of a tongue twister. I'll turn this video around, show you some of the tile we've been working with. That's the Oreck Orbiter. It's got a pretty heavy head on it, so it does buff really well. You can also use it for stripping. If you want to strip a floor, you can also just use it for bonnet cleaning, for carpet cleaning. If you have a low pile carpet, you can just do a low pile bonnet cleaning on it. You can use it for pre-agitating carpet as well in high traffic areas. Over here is where we have the brushes. Those would be what you'd use to pre-scrub some high traffic areas if you had them. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek at what we were doing today and show you our new Oreck Orbiter buffing machine.